1. 1975 Chevy Vega drag car. Price: $11,500. Located: Franklin, Ohio. The 1975 Chevy Vega drag car is a remarkable example of how a compact American vehicle can be transformed into a serious racing machine. Originally designed as a small economy car, this Vega has been extensively modified to serve as a dedicated drag racer, built for speed and consistency on the strip. At its core lies a 355-pump gas engine, paired with a BTE transmission and converter equipped with a brake, ensuring powerful launches and smooth gear transitions. The car features a line lock system, mini tubs, and 29.5 by 10.5 tires, with the ability to fit larger sizes, making it adaptable for different racing setups. Performance is proven, as the vehicle consistently runs in the 6.90s to 6.70s in the 8th mile, showcasing its reliability and competitive edge. The exterior is finished with a flawless 10 out of 10 paint job, giving it a striking presence that matches its aggressive stance. Inside, the Vega is equipped with QA1 suspension components and an electric shifter, emphasizing its readiness for drag racing. This car is not intended for casual driving or joyrides. It is a serious machine built for racers who understand its capabilities. The seller highlights its turnkey nature, meaning it is ready to race without requiring extensive modifications. For enthusiasts seeking a compact yet powerful drag car, the 1975 Chevy Vega offers a blend of classic styling and modern racing technology. It represents a unique piece of American drag racing culture, combining the lightweight Vega body with raw performance upgrades that deliver speed, consistency, and excitement on the track. 2. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price: $8,000. Located: Bowling Green, Kentucky. The 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is a classic American muscle car that embodies the spirit of late 1970s and early 1980s performance styling. This particular example has been driven extensively, showing over 200,000 miles. Yet it remains a solid and reliable machine with a clean title and no significant damage. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the car features a gray exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a timeless and aggressive look. Under the hood, modifications include a camshaft upgrade, double hump heads, stud girdles, polylocks, and an MSD ignition system, all of which enhance performance and reliability. The fuel system has been upgraded with Holley components, including a 750 double pumper carburetor, new fuel lines, and a high-performance pump. Additional upgrades include a racing rocker roller setup, long tube headers, and a JEGS exhaust system, making the car sound as powerful as it performs. Inside, the Camaro is fitted with a drag dash, super comp gauges, and a roll cage, emphasizing its readiness for both street and strip use. Despite its age and mileage, the vehicle remains turnkey and ready to drive, offering enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of Chevrolet's muscle car heritage. With its combination of classic styling, upgraded performance parts, and clean ownership history, this Z/28 represents an affordable entry into the world of classic drag-ready Camaros. 3. 1990 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price: $16,000. Located: Zanesville, Ohio. The 1990 Ford Mustang Coupe is a heavily modified drag-ready vehicle that showcases the versatility of the Fox body Mustang platform. Driven just over 124,000 miles, this car has been transformed into a high-performance machine with a 347 small block Ford engine paired with a 100mm precision turbo. The engine build includes scat-forged crank, rods, pistons, custom ground camshaft, and trick flow heads, ensuring durability and immense power. Supporting components such as a Moroso oil pan, Victor intake, CSU carburetor, and MSD ignition system highlight the attention to detail in its construction. The drivetrain features a TKO 600 transmission, tubular K-member, and reinforced rear end, while suspension upgrades keep the car stable under extreme acceleration. Inside, the Mustang is fitted with Kirky racing seats, a drag wing, and lightweight fiberglass panels, reducing weight and enhancing performance. The car rides on hammer wheels with brand new Hoosier drag tires, ensuring traction on the strip. While mechanically sound, it requires minor tuning, including intake and water pump gaskets, as well as carburetor adjustments. Despite these small needs, the vehicle remains a rust-free and clean-titled example of a purpose-built drag car. For enthusiasts seeking a turbocharged Fox body Mustang with serious racing potential, this 1990 model offers a blend of classic styling, modern upgrades, and raw performance. 4. 1976 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Car. Price: $10,500. Located: West Salem, Ohio. The 1976 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a striking example of a second-generation Camaro transformed into a competitive racing machine. This vehicle has undergone extensive modifications, including an LS engine swap producing 480 horsepower, paired with a built Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake for precise launches. The car is fully caged, ensuring safety during high-speed runs, and is equipped with a 9-inch rear end with 4.88 gears, providing optimal acceleration on the drag strip. Additional racing components include a battery, fuel cell, and overflow tank mounted in the trunk, as well as a line lock system for controlled burnouts. The exterior retains the aggressive styling of the mid-1970s Camaro, while the mechanical upgrades make it a serious contender in modern drag racing. Inside, the car is stripped down for performance, emphasizing function over comfort, with gauges and controls tailored for racing conditions. Despite its age, the Camaro remains in good condition, with a clean presentation and reliable performance. For enthusiasts seeking a classic drag car with modern power, this 1976 Camaro offers an excellent balance of vintage appeal and competitive capability. It represents the enduring popularity of the Camaro platform in drag racing culture, combining classic design with serious horsepower and track-ready engineering. 5. 1967 Dodge Coronet. Price: $7,500. Located: Calvert City, Kentucky. The 1967 Dodge Coronet is a classic Mopar that blends vintage styling with drag strip capability. This particular example is powered by a 383 engine fitted with an aluminum intake, 850 race brawler carburetor, and a new electronic distributor. A small cam and Hedman headers add to its performance, while an aluminum radiator with electric fan ensures cooling efficiency. The car is paired with a 727 torque flight transmission and a 2,800 revolutions per minute Boss Hog converter, delivering smooth yet aggressive launches. At the rear, an 8 3/4 setup with 4.10 gears and Posey traction provides strong acceleration. Despite its racing upgrades, the Coronet retains street-friendly features such as power steering and power front disc brakes. The vehicle runs consistently in the 1/8 mile at 8.81 seconds, proving its reliability on the strip. The interior features a bench seat and requires restoration, but the mechanical foundation is solid. Rust is present in typical areas for this model, yet it remains structurally sound. With its blend of street and strip performance, this Coronet offers enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of Dodge's muscle car heritage. 6. 1988 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price: $8,800. Located: Greendale, Indiana. The 1988 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is a drag-ready machine that combines third-generation Camaro styling with serious racing upgrades. This car has been back-halved with ladder bars, coilovers, and a narrowed 9-inch rear end fitted with 4.56 gears. A TCI Super Street transmission with trans brake and 3,800 stall converter ensures powerful launches. Under the hood, a 454 engine with aluminum intake, 850 Holley carburetor, MSD ignition, and custom headers delivers raw horsepower. The car is turnkey and ready to race, though it requires new front tires. It also includes a Sniper 150 nitrous shot with a full tank, though it has never been sprayed, leaving room for additional performance potential. The orange exterior paired with a black interior gives it a bold, aggressive look. With only 51,000 miles driven, this Camaro remains in solid condition and comes with a clean title. For enthusiasts seeking a drag car with proven upgrades and potential for even more speed, this Z/28 offers an affordable entry into competitive racing. 7. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Drag Car. Price: $18,500. Located: MT Sterling, KY. The 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Drag Car is a purpose-built race vehicle designed for serious competition. Offered with a 509 big block Chevy engine or as a roller without motor and transmission, it provides flexibility for buyers. The car features a 4-link suspension, Moser 12-bolt rear end with 4.56 Pro gears, and an aluminum driveshaft. Electronics include an MSD7AL2 ignition system and a KNR delay box, while lightweight fiberglass hood, deck, and bumpers reduce weight. Lexan windows further emphasize its racing focus. The 509 BBC engine includes a Crower crank, Dart Pro 1 heads, and a 1050 Holley Dominator carburetor, delivering immense power. On alcohol fuel, the Malibu runs low 5.8 ES, proving its competitive edge. The spacious interior accommodates larger drivers comfortably, making it versatile for different racers. With its combination of classic Malibu styling and modern drag racing technology, this car represents a serious investment for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey race machine or a customizable roller. 8. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro 350 ID. Price: $12,500. Located: Zeeland, Michigan. The 1971 Chevrolet Camaro 350 CID is a rare and desirable second-generation muscle car that continues to capture the attention of collectors and enthusiasts. This particular example has been driven approximately 80,000 miles and remains in good condition with a clean title and no significant damage. The exterior is finished in blue, paired with an off-white interior that retains much of its originality, including carpet, headliner, visors, and door panels. Only a minor tear in the driver's seat interrupts the otherwise well-preserved cabin. Mechanically, the Camaro is powered by a strong 350 cubic inch engine mated to a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and the classic rumble associated with Chevrolet's small block V8. The exhaust system features full-length headers, enhancing both sound and efficiency. Structurally, the car is solid, with no rust-through on the lower edges of doors or rockers, and the trunk remains clean and intact. Windows roll smoothly, doors close tightly, and the overall fit and finish reflect careful maintenance over the years. While the current paint presents well, the seller notes that a fresh coat could be applied for an additional cost, appealing to buyers seeking a show-quality finish. This Camaro represents an opportunity to own a rare year model that combines originality with dependable performance. With its blend of vintage styling, mechanical strength, and collectible value, the 1971 Camaro 350 CID stands as a testament to Chevrolet's enduring legacy in the muscle car era. 9. 1987 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $11,500. Located: Maysville, Kentucky. The 1987 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D offered here is a drag car roller, meaning it is sold without its motor, transmission, or shifter, but retains all the essential racing components to make it a serious project for enthusiasts. Originally set up for a turbo LS, the car features a 4-link suspension with a 9-inch rear end and aluminum center section fitted with 4.56 gears. It still has all wiring, plumbing, gauges, and switches intact, making it easier for a buyer to install their preferred powertrain. The Camaro is double frame-railed with tubular A-arms and rack and pinion steering, ensuring strength and precision under racing conditions. Additional features include an aluminum radiator, fans, aftermarket steering column with quick-release wheel, and fiberglass hood with Lexan windows to reduce weight. The car rides on 3315x15 tires with Dragstar wheels, emphasizing its drag-ready stance. Structurally, the body is solid under its wrap, and the chassis was NHRA certified in 2018. With its lightweight build and racing upgrades, This Camaro represents an excellent opportunity for racers to complete a drag car tailored to their specifications. 10. 1969 Ford Thunderbird. Price: $12,500. Located: Ashton, Illinois. The 1969 Ford Thunderbird is a striking classic powered by a big block 429 cubic inch V8, delivering the kind of raw performance that defined Ford's muscle era. This hardtop coupe has been well preserved, with a body in great shape and paint that, while dated, still presents well. Recently revived after decades in storage, the car has received numerous upgrades, including an aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, and a modern alternator. The fuel system has been updated with an aluminum fuel cell and Holley in-tank pump, while the engine benefits from a Holley Sniper 2 fuel injection system and Edelbrock intake. Exhaust flows through Flowmasters, giving the Thunderbird a deep, aggressive tone. The rear features a rebuilt Ford 9-inch center section with billet posy and 3.25 gears, ensuring durability. New shocks, Boyd's junkyard dog wheels, and drag radials complete the setup. This Thunderbird is rust-free and mechanically sound, though the heater core has been bypassed. With its blend of originality and modern upgrades, it is a head-turner at any event and a true piece of Ford history. 11. 1972 Chevrolet Nova drag car. Price: $20,000. Located Elizabethtown, Kentucky. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova drag car is a fully titled race vehicle that has been engineered for serious competition on the strip. This Nova is equipped with a 596 Morgan & Son race motor, a powerhouse designed to deliver extreme performance. It features both fogger and plate nitrous systems, offering racers the flexibility to push the car's limits when needed. Supporting this engine is a Reed Glide transmission, racepack electronics, and grid ignition, all of which ensure precision and reliability under demanding racing conditions. The car rides on RC Comp beadlock wheels with brand new tires, providing maximum traction and stability during high-speed runs. Structurally, the Nova is NHRA compliant and currently certifies at 8.50 seconds, though it requires minor bar adjustments to meet 7.50 certification standards. The gray exterior emphasizes its aggressive stance, while the interior is stripped down to racing essentials, with gauges and controls tailored specifically for drag racing. Offered at $20,000 as a roller or $36,500 turnkey, the vehicle provides buyers with flexibility depending on their racing needs and budget. This Nova is not just a classic muscle car. It is a purpose-built drag machine that blends vintage Chevrolet styling with modern race technology. For enthusiasts seeking a competitive small or big tire setup, the 1972 Nova represents a formidable contender, combining proven performance, adaptability, and the enduring appeal of Chevrolet's muscle car heritage.